Here is a email eraser program. We're using pyautogui to move the mouse to click the checkbox and the delete trash can in your email. And we use the pyautogui position to find the position of the checkbox and the trash can. So let me go ahead and run this. You can see for yourself. Go ahead and run. And we want to get this out of the way. And we'll leave the mouse just anywhere. And what I will start doing is clicking the check boxes and the trash can. So it will continue with this until it's done. So it has 50 emails to check and erase. And then it will delay for 5 seconds while the screen refreshes, and then continue on again. That's the sum of it right there. The program will be in GitHub. I'll link it down below. And you all have a good day.